Hi, my name's John Capobianco, and today we're going to be looking at the official Google Agent2Agent Python SDK software development kit. So, what does this mean? It means we don't have to roll our own. It means there's an SDK, an abstraction layer for the A2A. Now, I'm going to show you an agent written in LangGraph that accesses MCPs, in particular my PyETS MCP. This is the agent that will sit on the internet, the A2A, which allows H2A, human to agent, and agent to agent. I'm going to show you human to agent today. Probably tomorrow I'll get on to agent to agent. So this is hot off the press from May 20th. It's May 21st. They talk a little bit about building agents with their ADK. I still have to investigate this. I'm pretty comfortable with LangGraph. But down here a little further, we get into advancing A2A protocol. So they've updated some specifications, and they've simplified it with an A2A Python SDK. And they talk about ecosystems and other things. Pretty exciting, right? Auth0, Box AI, Microsoft, SAP, Zoom, building a future together. So the A2A has been on GitHub for a while, the actual A2A specification and toolkit, but now we have the official A2A Python SDK. Now they do have some examples that you can run, and I'm going to show you how I've adapted mine. Now this is the new agent card, which is pretty interesting because before I was generating my own agent card. So now inside of main, I have this build agent card, and it builds the agent card for me and stores it and all the rest of it. I have my main here. I have my agent executor, and notice all the imports are from A2A. All the imports are from A2A now. So then I have this agent executor that does the execute function and a cancel function, which I found was necessary. I have my client, and let's go ahead and turn on the container. So I didn't adjust my LangGraph at all. We're going to start the LangGraph and start all these containers up, and we'll take a look at them. So here's my PyETS, and I've discovered and bound these PyETS tools. And here's my A2A adapter listening, okay, using the A2A protocol. Using the A2A client, we're going to just send a client, and I've hard-coded a switch or a router 1 interface test. So check this out. See this right away in the background, what's happening? So it's a streaming type thing. And if we look further down at the PyETS, it's running the PyETS code. And it's going to return the PyETS code through the agent back out here to the client any second now. And there's our client response. Okay, so here's the final concatenated content for the answer to that question. And here it is here. Here's the interface status for R1. Now I have to adjust this client a little bit to be conversational. I'll probably stick a Streamlit front end in front of it and allow multiple questions and answers back and forth. But this is truly A2A through the World Wide Web on this publicly hosted agent. So really cool. Really easy to do. Build your agent with ADK or LangGraph or OpenAI's agent tool builder. Build your agent. Connect your MCPs to that agent. Put an A2A specification in front of it, adapter with the SDK in Python. And now that agent is out there on the internet for humans to talk to it. And soon we're going to have 2 agents. So I'll build the selector agent over here, the PyETS agent over here. Ask the PyETS agent to do something with selector. It'll say I can't, but I'm aware of another agent that can, and do the cross-agent communication. That'll be tomorrow's exercise. All right, really cool, right? We got this working in a day. And that, again, is not a testament to my capabilities. It's a testament to vibe coding. 1, 2, how easy and abstracted all this is in the SDK. And 3, trial and error. All right, we'll see you soon.